and welcome back to TechStack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Today we'll try to explore the VBA concept. So actually there is a one variable is there. So which is a variable is ABC. After I have the hyphen and another letter is D. After that comma and I have the sum E and F. So now what the thing is, I need to update the same data like this. So here A and B column B1 is B, C. And next what is there? D. Here I need to update only the D. And next step, okay. And the next step is E and F. So E and F. So the data should be updated like this. For example, if I give only here AC, then I need to update only AC and vice versa. So whatever the data I given here, it should update like that. So let me recode here. I'm updating the same thing here. So I will take the same variable. I'm just writing the same code for explanation purpose. So once this is done, so I declared the one variable. So I have declared one variable. So initially we need to clear the entire sheet here. I mean enter the data here. So for that I will remove the data. This workbook. So on my sheet name is sheet 1 dot user range dot. So what it will, if I have any data here, for example, I have some data here. So if I run this, it will delete the enter the data. So wherever use the data, it will delete. So the first step is done after I declare that variable. So now I declare the variable, everything is completed here. So when I see here A, comma, B, comma, C and hyphen. So here two things are there. One is hyphen and another one is comma. So we need to split by the comma and hyphen. So first one we need to split by hyphen. So once you hyphen, then only we can get ABC is one data and D, E is one data and F is another data. Okay. First step I'm using for each item. So you can make it as whatever it may be, XYZ, whatever it may be. So as of now I'm taking as item in split. So what I need to use here split. So split variable. So where only I need to use split the data, comma, and what is my split operator? Hyphen. So this is done. After that, I will make as next. So this is syntax. Then I will check, just give the message box whether I am getting the data or not. Okay. Let me run this. So here one is ABC and again running E and again F. So this is completed. So once this step is completed, and next we need to update this data A, comma B, comma C. For that again I need to split the data. So again I'll take the same for each concept. I'm splitting here is item, and for each item this make it as one item one, and here I will change hyphen to comma and next. So this is the syntax. Let me make it here one more message box item one. So I'm running directly. So first A, B, C, all data will came. Now everything is completed. And the final step is we need to update the data in the rows by columns. For that purpose, I will take one temp counter one. So initially I will declare the temp counter one. Temp row counter. This is for starting from here, row, like this. And next one is I need to take the column. So just I am taking this column. So why I am taking means for this first split, ABC is there. So A should be updated in the A1 column And next B should be updated in the B1 column. C should be in C1 column. And similar for D. So when it comes to D, it's go to the next column. Sorry, next row. So A2, next B2. Like that, it will update. For that purpose only, we declare as one temp counter and another one is temp column counter. And finally, I will take this data here. This three steps I just copy and paste it here. What in debug mode. So first of all, it will clear all the data, whatever the data is available in the sheet one, it will just delete and it declare the one variable. In this variable, we can see the data as like this. And next, it will I declare the one temp row. This is for A1. And once that is done, so it will move to the for each loop. And here I will split that variable with the hyphen. And next again, I will split for the item 2. So we can go and check for the item 1 for is ABC and we can check for the item 1 in A. So now it will update that data in A1 and similarly update B1, C1. So once this is done and we can see the temp counter as of now it is 1. So now it incrementing the temp counter row. So now it went to the 2. So next it will update the data in A2. So we can see that updating in the D value in A2. So like that. So it will update all the data here. Now I will just change this data, comma D, and I will make it as here only E and F, comma G, comma H. Now I just change this variable and we'll see how it will works. Now it's work as expected. So ABCD should be in first row. So ABCD is available in first row and E has only one data. So this is in row 2 and F, G, H are available in the row 3. The same data is available here. So this is one of the method which we can achieve. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.